5 steps to which causes the second money leak, which is in your insurance. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh, and your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. So that is what I'm going to explain what is available inside, so that you will go and read a lot and gain a lot from my book. So if you like this kind of videos about savings, books, and all about investments, insurance, mutual funds, please subscribe my video so that I keep posting. Okay, let's go into my today's topic, the 5 steps which you should take so that you know about your insurance, whatever you're taken in your life. The first one is get to know your product fully, about the product, because most of the 90% of the time, whenever I check my clients or friends or relatives, when I asked what is your insurance and what are they are very blank. Their eyes go blank and they're not clear what they are taking, and they keep paying. They just say that month on month I will pay this, every quarter I'll pay this, or every yearly wise I'll pay this, should I pay this year? That is what they will come and ask. Okay, so get sorry, get to know whether it is a insurance product or what it is doing, how much coverage it is there. Nobody is cared about what is the total coverage they have, because that is the first step you should have in your life. Because if you have a family of with 3 or 4 dependents, you should have at least 1 crore covered. Because if you're not there, if you're the single earning member, what if you're not going to be there? If your business is going to be very risky, what if you are not there? What will happen to your family of 4 dependents, right? So this is what more essential. Please start doing that. And the second step is be clear if it is a ULIP policy, endowment policy, or money back plan, or there are a couple of other whole life insurance. All these things are there. So try to know what it is. Is it a ULIP or mutual fund? Is it an endowment plan, or what is the type of plan you're taken? And this is most critical, because once you know this, then only you know what is the return. Is it efficient, and what is this total coverage? Is it enough for my family and for myself? All these are covered in this most important step. Third step is make sure to know the full premium payment term, because most of the ULIP policies are sold like make payment for 5 years, sir, then that is more than enough. Take your money after 10th year. This is what most of the people are told, which is ultimately useless. Or some will say that premium paying term is 7 years, and after 15 years we'll get, that is a traditional product, and the returns are going to be very less. And in case of ULIP, let me explain because why it is useless. Because 5 years you are going to make the payment, and the first 3 years the cost of the ULIP is going to be around 8 to 10 percentage, and from the fourth fifth year it may be around 6 to 7 percentage. In this case, the first 5 years you are losing so much money for the investment of the fund itself. And after that, in the sixth, 7th year, the expense is going to come down. You need to keep paying fully for the 10 years. Then only the probability of you earning a better returns will come. That is the reason I'm saying you need to pay for the full premium paying term for ULIP, and then you might see some good returns. Because recently I checked one of my client, what he told us that he paid for 10 years continuously 10 lakhs of amount, and at the end of it, and right now he's getting only 9.8 lakhs, and that too waiting for after this COVID. During the COVID time, the first lockdown period and all, the total returns was around 7.5, and as the market increased it touched 9.8. Just look at, he has been investing for 10 years, and the market was around 18,000 and it touched 47,000, and more than 40, he closed it when it was around 43-44,000. Even then the total returns is less than 10 lakhs. So this is what I say, that most of the ULIP policies are like this. So please think about it if you're having that. And the fourth one is take time to analyze your situation and the need for such a policy. Sometimes you would have got a child, and people will tell that this child insurance policy is very essential. Just think, why your child needs a child insurance policy. Anyway, you are going to make the payment, and you are the insurer, and in case of your death the payment will be given to the child. And if the child attains 18, maybe for the higher education, and during her or your son or daughter's marriage, they'll be getting the remaining payment. That's how the policy is going to be. Am I right in saying? That is the case. If you have a term insurance, what is the need for taking a child insurance policy? And the returns are going to be very less. And if you say that, just think of, they'll be issuing 5 lakh or 10 lakh policy, and anyway right now the current cost itself is minimum 5 to 10 lakhs, and a good reputed institution. And if they want to get into IIT, IIM, or if they want to keep continuing the education, it might not be enough. And remember, whatever the cost, after 15 years only they are going to study. And if they are your kid, or if they are your son or daughter, and at that time the cost is anyway going to be more than 10 lakhs. Will the 5 lakh 10 lakh policy be enough? Just think about. And if you question, they will be asking you to pay higher premium, which is not possible. which is not worth it, and the total returns are going to be between 6 to 8%. Okay, so the final point, this is what I mean, very important: ask an expert. And if you still have doubts, because an expert can give you, and most of the agents, they try to push the policy, they will sell it up saying that I will get guaranteed returns. Look at the equity market, see how it is giving. Approach a proper advisor, financial advisor, he will guide you. Financial advisor in the sense, he's not giving a financial insurance product for all your life needs, because I had seen insurance agents selling child insurance policy, and for each and every life incident, for retirement they have a pension plan, for everything they have a policy, each and everything. If there is insurance policy, will it be enough? Because the returns had gone down, because these guys doesn't understand. I'm not blaming everybody, most of the people doesn't understand whether that insurance policy, whether that returns is enough for your life. And if you say that it's not enough, and they will ask you to pay, make a more premium, make you to pay more, will you be able to do that? Because looking at your current lifestyle, it may not be possible. So this is the biggest leak which is happening for most of the people, and most of the people doesn't even understand that. So try to understand what is happening. Just watch the video again. Let me summarize. Get to know the insurance product what you are in, and be it is ULIP or endowment or money back plan, try to understand that, and make sure you know the full premium term. Is it for 5 years or 10 years, fully paid fully? And take time to analyze the situation and whether you need this policy. And the fifth, last one is, ask an expert, ask a proper financial advisor, trust his advice, and then take the policy. Or else try to postpone it, take pure term insurance. That is more than enough. That is my only request. And what are the insurance things you need to take? Probably a pure term insurance, and critical illness, health insurance, and personal accident policy. These four are more than enough. So if you want any more clarity, please post your questions so that I can answer your questions. So if you want to plug your money leaks in the insurance space, which is hugely happening, please watch the video. Go and buy my book Money Leaks, because it's absolutely free. That is the reason I'm saying go and buy my book with Kindle Unlimited, and you will learn a lot of stuff from Kindle Unlimited. For 3 months, it's free. So if you're not having the habit of reading book, this is the right time, because it's year end. Let this be a new year resolution, and every 3 months you are going to pay a very nominal amount, and you are going to read a hell lot of books if you want to take your life to the next level. Along with my book, please, my book should be the first one you are reading. And thank you so much. Please post your comments and share this video with your friends if you love this video and if you like such kind of videos. Thank you.